Are you ready to upgrade your look without shopping? Here's 5 style hacks to elevate your look without buying a thing. First, prioritize good fit. Try on your clothes to see what fits well, what needs small adjustments, what should be tailored, and what you need to get rid of. Secondly, experiment with layering. It can be simple, like wearing a sweater over a dress shirt, or tying it over your shoulders, repurposing a button-up shirt as an overshirt, or adding a blazer to a t-shirt and jeans. Now let's add some contrast. This can be a bright pop of color, different textures mixed together, or even pairing complementary patterns. Next, let's play with proportions. For a casual vibe, try wearing oversized from head to toe. To achieve a V-shaped silhouette, emphasize broad shoulders and a tapered waistline. Or, for a modern silhouette, combine a slim shirt and flowing trousers. Fifth, focus on your footwear. Shoes set the tone for the rest of your outfit. Always keep them clean and polished. For a modern twist, pair the unexpected like sneakers with a suit or dress shoes with a casual outfit. What's your favorite no shopping style hack? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.